plastic bags, and eco-friendly alternatives. Around the world each year, 500 billion plastic bags are used. This means every minute we use over 1 million plastic bags. Plastic bags harm the environment by endangering animals who mistake them for food. Americans alone throw away 100 billion plastic bags a year, which end up in soil or landfills and slowly release chemicals that are toxic to surrounding wildlife. Some such chemicals are bisphenol A, also known as BPA, and PS oligomer, which can prevent animals' hormones from functioning properly and disrupt reproduction. As plastic bags decay, they also release greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, which contributes to global warming. Plastic bags are detrimental to our natural ecosystem. These problems with plastics began when the Swedish engineer Sten Gustaf Thulin invented the modern shopping bag for the company Celoplast in 1965. ExxonMobil then introduced this plastic bag design to the US in the 70s. Thulin's design was made of high-density polyethylene, which is still used in the production of plastic bags today. Polyethylene is the polymerized form of the monomer ethylene, C2H4. There are three main types of polyethylene used to manufacture shopping bags today: high-density polyethylene, low-density polyethylene, and linear low-density polyethylene. High-density polyethylene is used in the most common types of plastic grocery bags. Low-density polyethylene can be found in thin plastic bags such as those you get from the dry cleaner. Linear low-density polyethylene is used in the glossy, high-quality shopping bags you may get at the mall. The differences in strength and appearance of these types of polyethylene are due to varying amounts of branching of the polymer chains. More branching means that there is less surface area directly in contact between two polymer chains, causing the dispersion forces to be weaker. Low-density polyethylene has the most branching and therefore has the least tensile strength. High-density polyethylene has polymer chains with very little branching, so they are able to pack closer together, increasing the strength of the intermolecular forces between them and creating a more crystalline structure. Linear low-density polyethylene has many short branches. However, they are so short they do not interfere with the dispersion forces between the polymer chains, causing linear low-density polyethylene to have a relatively high tensile strength. Polyethylene can be made from petroleum and natural gas such as methane, CH4. During this process, many strong covalent carbon-carbon bonds are formed. Molecules like this are man-made, so organisms that typically break down material in nature do not have the metabolic pathways needed to decompose plastics. Because of this, a typical plastic bag can take anywhere from 20 to 100 years to decompose. To prevent this buildup of plastic bags, alternative materials are being studied. New biodegradable plastics are constantly being invented and tested. Biodegradable plastics are plastics that are specifically engineered in order to decay quicker in the presence of a certain factor like light or oxygen, and only take 2 to 3 years to disintegrate completely. However, for a plastic to be considered biodegradable, it does not have to decompose into non-toxic substances. Because of this, many people are misled by the idea that biodegradable plastics are good for the environment, when in fact they can still be harmful. Bioplastics are plastics made from raw materials such as cornstarch, potatoes, or lactic acid. Because bioplastics contain more naturally occurring molecules, organisms are able to decompose them readily and they can be fully disintegrated in only 3 months. They are also compostable, which means they leave no toxic chemicals behind. Bioplastics are also better for the environment because when they decay, they have a smaller net release of carbon dioxide than typical plastics do. Bioplastics are not commonly used as a replacement for high-density polyethylene plastic bags yet, but with further research and development, they could be in grocery stores everywhere. In the meantime, help save the planet by using a reusable bag in your day-to-day life. Thanks for watching!